This is my baritone version, chord melody version of O Come, Emanuel. This is an easy version in key of A minor. Matter of fact, we're just going to have a few chords, A minor, the D minor, and then the G chord. You can do this. I'm going to walk you through the entire process. And if you like this and want to learn more, we're doing all this stuff over at ukelikethepros.com. Let me play the first section for you, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm going to be playing with my thumb. I'm in baritone tuning, D, G, B, E. For this one, I am playing our Ukelikethepros Kala baritone ukulele that you can get them at terrycartermusicstore.com. We're going to start with the A minor shape. You're going to hit the third string by itself. Then you're going to strum down to the second string and stop. And then 3 first strings. Then you're going to go to the D minor, but I'm going to only strum to the second string and then first string, open, and then back to the A minor and stop. This is real important that you stop on the right strings because the melody is the king when you're doing chord melody. The next section is going to be pickup note right here, and you can actually keep your A minor shape here and just hit it with your pinky. That's on B4, 4, and then A minor again, all strings, and then second string, third string, second, and then to the G chord, a little bit of a different G chord because your third finger is going to be on the second string, third fret. You're going to strum only those strings, and then open, 2, 0, and then you're going to stop right here on this 2-string, 2-finger A minor chord. All right, do it from the top with me. 1, 2, 3. Let me play the next section for you. Next section is going to have another pickup note right here on second string, third fret, and it's going to be part of the next chord, which is the D minor chord. So you're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then strum to the second string, and then your melody is going to move right here to the third string. Twice, open, second string, now A minor, and then that's a G chord, just a third and fourth string, open. Next part is going to strum a chord on beat 4, A minor, and then 3, second string, and then open, and then hit a chord there again, and then D minor, and then A minor. You see there's a lot of repetition going on with this, and now you're seeing how important it is to make sure you stop at the right string when you're strumming or doing your finger picking. All right, let's do that section. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. All right, check this part. This is the big part, the rejoice part. You're going to start right here on your first string, third fret. Hit that once on B4, 4, and then strum a big old G chord, and then open, and then A minor chord, open, D minor, oh, and A minor. Now this last part here, we've seen it before. How cool is that? Sounds great. Let's do this last section, and we're going to do the whole thing together. 1, 2, 3. How cool is this? Absolutely, really a fun, nice little arrangement, not too difficult, but still challenging. We've been working on this with all our members over at ukelikethepros.com, where we have a bunch of baritone courses, and we do live Q&As and workshops over there. If you're ready, I'm ready. We're going to go from the very, very top play the entire thing down. 1, 2, 3. How did you do, and what did you think of that arrangement? Love for you to leave the comment below on that. But I appreciate you being here, learning this chord melody, an easier version, 3 chords of O Come, Emanuel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you want to learn more, check out ukelikethepros.com.